Hello, I'm Arfaz from MERN.ai, and in this video, I will guide you through the basics of MERN.ai and how you can turn a blank project into an onboardable product within minutes. This is a new project that I have created. It does not have any features yet, and the product should have meaningful features. So let's see what we can do. In MERN.ai, we can add features either by clicking on this big blue button or by asking the AI chat box over here. For now, let's stick with this button. You can either add a blank feature, which means you will have to write the code from scratch, or you can use the feature gallery. Feature gallery is where you can find a growing list of full stack features, which can be easily added to any MERN.ai project. They are customizable, easy to use, and give you a massive head start in your development journey. Let me show you an example. I'm going to add a landing page to this project. Now you can see that our actions have triggered a conversation. That's the AI getting your approval before adding this feature to your project. Let me approve this. The compiler has started building the feature into your project. You can see the status over here. Once done, you can see the output. So now we got a basic landing page. You can use these buttons to see how it would appear on different devices. Or you can click on this button to open your project in a new tab. As you can see, this project is already deployed in a development environment. That means this address is public and you can share it with anyone to check out this app. Let's make some edits to this page. Let's try changing the title here. You can find 3 tabs on this side. The first tab is called Features. Here you can add a new feature and you can see the list of added features as well. You can click on a feature and see all the files related to it. So this is where I want to introduce you to the different modes on MERN.ai. You have the preview mode and the code mode. We were in the preview mode till now, and when we click on a file, it will go into the code mode, where you can see the code editor, output, terminal, and a lot more. Let's clear some room here. You can toggle off these little icons at the bottom. Let's disable the chat box and terminal for now. You can also go to the second tab, that is the Files tab, where you can see all the files related to this project. You can create a new file here, create a new folder, or upload a file to this project from here. You can make any changes to the code using these 2 tabs. But my favorite way to change something on the UI, like this title for example, is to go to the third tab, that is the Search tab, and paste this title here, so that you can easily find what you're looking for without spending too much time. Let me change this title. And save. Command plus S on Mac, that's Control plus S on Windows. And you can see the change taking effect immediately in the preview here. Now let's add another feature to this app. We can go to the feature gallery again. This is where I want to say how intelligent these features are and why we call it the full stack features. They connect and integrate with each other so well that it saves lots of your development time. Let me show you an example. I'm going to add this login feature. The output is now ready. Let's check it. Let's see it in full picture. Now you can see that sign in and sign up buttons have appeared here. These are fully functional buttons with actual sign in and sign up. Let's try registering a new user. We are logged in. We can also log out, obviously. That's it. We added 2 features and it just clicks. Again, you can check the Features tab to see all the files related to this login module and can customize it as well. Let's do more. Say I want an admin dashboard for this app. Let's use the AI to create an admin dashboard. It says the output is live. We can use this drop down here to see all the pages that we have created so far. There is the admin dashboard page. We got a dashboard layout, but it's blank. We need a tab here to manage some kind of data. Let's ask the AI to add some data management. Let's say products. Okay, we got to approve this. So what happens is MERN.ai will integrate this feature with the dashboard feature. Let's reload to see the changes. We can see a new tab named Products. We got a table and a button to create an item. Excellent. Let's add one more. No description. We can also edit an existing item. Let's change the name here. Give a description as well. Now I have two products in my dashboard. I say let's explore more. Say I want to list these products in my landing page and let others buy this product. I can do this with two other features from the feature gallery. First, let me clear this chat box. Got a fresh chat box again. I'm going to ask, I need product listing and shopping cart. We got a huge list now. We will uncheck the items that we don't need because we already have those. We have product data management as well. Uncheck. So the output is now live. Let's do a reload. Check it out. The products we added in the dashboard are here. It's listed. Now we can check this pane for the newly added features. We got a shopping cart feature and a product catalog feature. As part of the cart feature, we get a shopping cart and order management as well. Couple of blank screens. And as part of the catalog feature, we get a search option as well. Let's search something. Works well. Let's take a look at this product. Add this to cart. And complete the checkout. The order is here. Great. These features work well on every device as well. So yeah, we created an app with a landing page, login, dashboard, search, shopping cart. That's a custom onboardable web app within minutes. The feature gallery is a growing list and it will include more features for more use cases in the coming weeks. Apart from the feature gallery, you can also create your own custom features. Go to New Features and click on Blank Feature. You can see it right here. Let me rename this. We don't have many files inside this feature. So let's try adding a new file. You can right click and click on New File. Or you can go to the Files tab and click on the New File button. You can also find all features inside this Features folder from the Files tab itself. Let's create a new file inside Custom. You have the option to create a new blank file, a blank UI/React component, or a blank backend function, and a lot more. Let's create a blank UI/React component. I'm going to give a name and a path. So now we got a blank UI file with a hello world message. Let me open it in preview. So obviously we can replace this with any UI we want. But this is another area where the generative AI comes in handy. I can ask the AI to create any UI and it will generate the code snippet. Let's try a calculator. We got a snippet. Let's try adding this to my new file. Now there is a calculator. It would be functional as well, I guess. Yes, it works. Now let's try asking something fun like a tic-tac-toe game or something. Nice. Let's replace the contents with this tic-tac-toe UI. We got ourselves a fun game. Let's open it in a new tab. I can play this, I guess. Yeah, I can. And X wins. So you have a code editor, a terminal, a handy AI assistant, customizable feature templates that helps to fasten your development. And when you're all done, you can download the source code as well. And all this is developed on top of MERN Stack. MERN.ai beta is now live and it's free. So go try it out for yourself. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we'll be uploading more videos, how-tos, tutorials on developing efficient web apps. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop your comments below, and spread the word. See you in the next video.